Hello, in this video we will explore how to add the 6 question types to an assignment in Formative. So begin this process, obviously we're going to create a new formative, and then once we're in here we see the plus sign. And so the plus sign allows us to add any of these 6 question types. So we'll quickly go through each type. So we click short answer, and then we would simply type our question. Any size does a triangle have? And then down here it says add the correct answer, and we would simply come and type 3. And because it's short answer, like we mentioned earlier, those simple one word or several word answers will grade for us. And then we can change the point value if we want to. So then if we add another question, we can add an essay question. And so an essay question, like explain the similarities and differences between a square and a rectangle. And of course there will be no correct answer because the students will type lots of points, but if say I wanted to make that one worth 10 points, I could type 10. And then of course as an essay question they would have lots of space to type, multiple paragraphs. The next question type is multiple choice. We're all very familiar with a multiple choice question. What is a quadrilateral that has 4 sides called? And then we would simply come down here and type our answer. Square, B, rectangle, please spell it correctly, triangle, and then trapezoid. If we wanted to remove the A, B, C, D, we could. And if I come back and put equal sides, and then of course we would check the right answer. We click the little box. Anytime we want to erase an answer, we can over here. Give it a point value if we want, 5. And that's simply a multiple choice question. The next one is a multiple selection. And so, as we mentioned in the text, multiple selection allows you to pick more than one answer. So now I can type in all these answer choices, right? Square, rectangle, triangle, angle, pentagon. And if I want to add options, I can keep adding options. So I would E, and then add an option. Trapezoid. Now the difference between this and the multiple choice is now I can pick multiple answers that are correct. Of course I can go back in here and add. And then all those answers the kids would have to click to get their points. So now, hey, I want to make that worth 8 points. So I can give it any point value I want to make it start adding up. The next question type is show your work, which you know is very unique in that it makes the kids show their work. 2. Strategies. So now if I wanted to make them. So what happens here is we have this edit your canvas in this question. And what it's going to do is it's going to give those students a big white blank canvas where they can actually solve the problem, thus show your work. and we can give that point value. So they got to actually show something. We're going to give them 15 points. And then, of course, the last question type is true false. And you see true false automatically shows up. And so we type our question. Angle has 3 sides and 3 angles. And then we would just come click the right answer. We give you 2 points. Obviously, my math is not going to add up to correct. But those are the question types and how you can simply add them to a formative. Remember, in formative, it automatically names it. And of course, I'm going to come back up here and give it a name as I leave. But that is how you would quickly add questions to a formative. Hope you learned how to add each different question types, what they look like, how you would click the answers in this video.